Talk to me, Heiser. What do we got going this morning?
I don't know, a pump. Never used one before. Took me a minute even how to figure out how to wrap the thing. So that'd be interesting.
Oh, when you shoot, you don't have to push the button. You'll be able to just pump it.
Keep pumping.
Yeah, pump and dump.
Hopefully I only need one bullet.
What do we got going on this morning?
Oh, I'm running a little behind. It's about 6 o'clock. We haven't even started walking back yet. We had 3 strutters out in the field last night, so we're gonna go set up on them if we don't scare them off. see
Dawson.
See what we can do.
Yeah, Dawson over there's gonna be the cameraman this morning. Nice head, bro.
Rub it for good luck.
What do you think, Holden?
It's early.
Huh?
It's early.
Oh yeah, it is.
Holden hasn't said more than 3 words all morning.
It takes him about an hour to fire up.
We're set up. They're starting to come. So must be we got in here without spooking them. Got about 170, 80 yards off this low woods they're roosting in. They're, like I said, they're gobbling, so well, it must be we didn't spook them. So, hopefully they will come down and want to come right in. See what happens. Oh, is that what the first one was? Well, I think there was a Jake. Oh. And then I heard like a cluck. They sound like that's when they all went nuts when she clucked. Oh, it sounded like there's like 4 birds. That sounded like he was on the ground, didn't it?
Yeah, the top's on the ground.
Is that a top right there?
Yeah.
That was him, right?
Yep.
She's struggling.
Not yet. He's got a big old white head.
Gotta get it pretty early. What's he doing, Dustin?
He's coming this way.
Just bring them in one at a time. So strutter. To the left of him.
He's strutting. That's a Jake. Nope, that's a Tom.
Fuckers don't even give a shit on her, do you? No. They're on the move now.
Just strutting. There we go. What a great video. They did that synchronized.
Was that them got one?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it came from in the woods. Let's keep
Tie a deep breath.
What?
I said tie a deep breath. God, tie it.
Shoot whatever, Shane. Maybe kill it. I'm gonna kill her.
Easy. Take your time. He's not going on. Go ahead.
Dude, oh my God, let's go.
No big deal, guy.
Nice work. Hell yeah.
Yeah, fuck
like
yeah,
that.
dude. Oh my God.
Sorry, ladies, but we took your boyfriend. No
Look
dick
at
for,
those bitches.
no dick for you guys today.
Oh my God. I think my heart was pounded by the feet fuckers.
Mine was feeling heavy.
Jesus.
To Riverside.
Starving. Couldn't plan it out any better than that.
Good Lord,
They read
dude.
the script.
Ty, I zoomed in on his beard. Like, as he was he ran up pretty quick. I was zoomed in on his beard. But I'm like, oh God, he's fucking way closer than I thought he was. So I zoomed out.
Bailey shot one.
Two birds.
Two potatoes. Two point gauge loyal.
She loves it.
Oh man.
I got a little excited. Shane had to talk me in. Clear that one. You're right.
You scared me there, I'm not gonna lie.
I scared myself. You want to spur the thing? I'm thinking he's getting ready to run.
I don't think they're the biggest birds in the world, but that's alright, that was fun.
That was fun.
I think he's hurting.
I'll be damned. 6:58. Not even 7 o'clock.
That's beautiful.
I said 7:03. It was about 6 minutes on it.
I should have just beat the shit out of Cam's decoy for a minute.
He wanted it pretty bad, that's for sure.
I guess I didn't pepper the fuck out of it.
Yeah, they were not a fan of him being on top of it. Look, the wad's laying right there too. Not a bad bird.
Well, it looked like I peppered his decoy.
That's good.
That's good.
Oh, got a little beard on the shot. Maybe if you pull these out, it'll make the beard a little longer. It makes it look like it's about 14 inches.
They're on it. They're on it. It's not bad.
It's in the 9s or something. Yeah, the spurs honestly aren't that bad.
Oh, yeah.
It's over an inch. Inch and a quarter probably. How's yours look? About the same? Yeah, when they were running in, I could tell they didn't have overly huge beards, but it was too good not to let it rip. It was too good to be true. How's the fan look? Didn't get it? Very nice. Can't beat that.
Round 2.
But if we don't see him, I think we'll just slip to this little opening and make some calls. See if we can't call him up out of there. If not, we'll just keep going towards the back. See what happens. I can't see ya. You blow right through this stuff. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120
They're probably gonna come from behind that big tree. Hey, they're probably coming. You guys need to sit still. You see him? I think that's the same spot they were. Yeah. Hey. If they pop out, you better fucking shoot them quick because they're gonna see us. Did you get him? Racket, get up there. Did you get him? Did you get him?
Yeah.
Where is he? Good shit, Perry. Go get him. Go get him, brother. I think I heard the other one fly off.
Yeah, there's two of them. There was one behind.
Yeah. See, I knew they were gonna pop out right here and probably see us and then want to turn around. God, that's freaking money.
I don't think they went that far, Dustin. Get up there.
Freaking stone cold them.
Yes, sir.
Stone cold curry.
Dude, that was fun. It was.
They made us work for it. He's probably gonna flop on you a little bit, but
Pretty turkey.
great bird.
First one.
Really? That's your first
I've
one?
never done this before. I've shot a lot of pheasants. I've shot a lot of grouse.
Heck yeah, dude.
Oh man, this is great.
Yeah, they're just sitting right down in here gobbling, and I knew at some point they would come and cross us.
Two of them came out here by this pit, and he came out right here.
Were they hens back there? Do you know?
No, they were toms.
This one back here was the tom.
Oh, really?
He was standing right here though. He was about to see us.
Yeah.
So he was still back here a little bit. So I'm like, take him.
Well, they were head to head, so I had to wait
Yeah,
for
look
him
at
to
his-
come out a little farther.
His
Yeah.
head was turning red.
It was
He
it?
looking.
Really?
You didn't get the shot. You couldn't. see
No,
him
I
there?
couldn't see him. I was around the corner just enough.
That's all right. I just looked back, saw decoys, and just about had a heart attack.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Shoot the
grab
decoy.
him by the leg, bring him out here.
Saw some turkeys on the other side of this woods. Try to get to this corner, see if we can't call them across through it. The old Dusty bird. What do you think, Dusty?
Let's do it.
Dusty? Curry?
I'm ready.
Ready to rip? Gobbled again, didn't he? Pretty sure he got loose, still way down there though. Well, we moved. We're starting to leave. We called that while we were on the way out. And we heard one gobble over to our east a little ways, so we're gonna sit up here for a few minutes, see if we can't call them over, but I think they've been there this whole time. It's where we saw them when we drove around the block, so not too convinced that they're gonna come, but we'll try. Sitting in the pricker bush.
Boogity boogity.
Cut me off. Stay closer or no?
Same side.
Like still closer than what they were.
I think those are like new turkeys.
Yeah.
Literally. I think the original one that we heard earlier is still back there. I think we just heard 3 turkeys there. 3 gobbles.
Copy. You gotta be ready if he gets right here and spooks. I'd almost turn just a little bit to your left. There you go. Hey, don't wiggle them branches around. Okay. There you go. That way if he does see us, he can shoot him right through there. Is he in the woods behind us? Yeah. Stay ready. To the right, Dustin. Hang on. Okay, swing your gun nice and slow. Start swinging it. Easy. Just nice and slow. Yep, there you go.
I'm just waiting for him to come right here.
Yeah. Hopefully he does. Hey. Yeah, hey, quit moving. Don't move. Hey, if I tell you, jump out on a knee and shoot him. If it gets spooky. I see him. He's coming right up the edge. Yeah, he's coming right up the edge. Here he comes. Kill him if you can. Yeah. Don't shoot, decoy.
What a great shot. Good shot.
You sound like a bitch.
Dude. That was awesome.
I don't know how he did not see us right here.
Oh my God.
Dude, that was fantastic.
Wow. We sweet talked him right into it, didn't we?
Yeah.
My left ear's ringing.
My right ear's ringing. Hell yeah, dude. What a fucking hog.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I could see him strutting back here. Yeah, and he was coming. I was like, dude, he's gonna frickin' see me right here. I'm wide open.
Yeah.
And somehow he didn't.
As soon as he stepped out, I could tell he was good, but there was no way I could change him.
I heard your squirrel.
Yeah. Dude, that's
The old Charles Daly. 4 for 4?
3.
3 for 3.
I heard your.
yeah.
That was the code word.
Yeah.
If he saw him coming up the right
Oh,
side.
I was my ass off as soon as
I heard you. I heard you. Oh, you demolished him too. He comes strutting right up the edge of this right here. And so we're hoping he'd come down the power lines, you know, get out there and come straight down here. That's why we put the decoys right in front of it. But he came through the woods and up and around. We're just sitting right there.
Man, I was too scared to even look at him when he was coming by.
Yep, don't look.
I didn't know that he was out.
Well, that
And
gobble.
then you're like, swing.
Yeah, that gobble was right along the edge. Yeah.
Was it, he was out right there?
I couldn't see him
thought
yet,
he was-
but
I thought he was still in here a little bit, but. Fuck yeah, dude.
That's nice.
hooks, dude.
Yeah.
Don't hit me. So tell me what happened here today, Dustin. What'd we do here?
We set up down there.
In that brush pile.
Yeah, in a brush pile. Badass setup. Sat down there for probably half an hour, 45 minutes. All nice and cozied in. Yeah, it was a pretty sweet setup. Had some pine tree branches covering me. Forgot my phone down there.
I forgot we gotta go get that.
Had to stand up, take a piss, and we headed out. Came up to this power line right here. Called down the power lines, and there was turkeys. There was turkeys gobbling back there. So
Well, first off, too, when we were walking out, some guy come pulling back on a truck and went back to like almost right where we were sitting, and was standing there while this turkey was gobbling back here. We started calling to him, and then the truck left. Thankfully, didn't spook the turkeys.
didn't get this one. Just like last year's video. You got a smush ass head, boy.
Oh man,
Yeah, he's got some nice color.
that's a pretty bird, man.
Yeah, it is.
Get me out of there.
Shade says right before I shoot, don't shoot the decoys. And I was too.
He was right in the
I
middle
was
of
watching it, I'm like, all right, well, his head's white, he ain't spooked, and he was right here. I'm like, I probably shouldn't shoot over here. I'll probably shoot the fucking decoy, but yeah, I shot him butt right here, right in between them.
Beautiful.
Man, my brain was screaming at you. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him.
No, he wasn't spooked at all. No, he could have came up here and fucked up this decoy for 10 seconds before I shot him. He wasn't gonna go anywhere. Bad turkey though.
No, he's got some good
That's
spurs.
bigger than this morning.
Yeah, hold him right there. Oh yeah. Good stuff, bub.
Rub it.
Show me the head.
Rub it.
Ouch, bring it down here.
Smack it.
Fuck. Oh, it's awkward. I wasn't recording. Just kidding. Just kidding.